Why can drawing a few straight lines around an ant stop the ant from moving forward? Draw a circle around the ant, and the ant will panic and spin in circles inside and won't be able to get out. What should you do if the power goes out at home? Just add rice to a cup, then pour in water, filling it 80% full, and finally add a little vegetable oil. Insert a cotton swab, light the cotton swab, and now you have a candle that will burn continuously for 2 full days and nights. Make a small hole in a beer bottle, tap the bottle, and the liquor will quickly spray out. This is the principle of an atomic bomb explosion. Wrap some cotton thread around the body of a glass bottle, pour a little alcohol on the cotton thread, light the cotton thread and heat it evenly, then quickly place it in cold water. This will cause the glass bottle to split in half. This is the principle of thermal expansion and contraction. Don't throw away expired chewing gum, mold it into a cone shape, and throw a coconut at it while it's still soft. The coconut will actually get pierced through. This is the power of non-Newtonian fluids. Just sprinkle some salt on a boiled egg and place another egg on top of it, and it will stand perfectly on top. This is the magic of friction. Place a black balloon inside a white balloon, inflate it, and place it under the sun. Then focus sunlight onto it using a magnifying glass, and sunlight will actually be able to explode the black balloon inside. Place a glass cup in front of a beautiful woman, pour clear water into it, and the beautiful woman will shyly turn away. This is the principle of light refraction. A straw cannot pierce a potato, but if you press one end of the straw with your thumb and quickly poke it, the potato will be easily pierced. This is the power of compressed air. Stuff a piece of waste paper into a cup, flip it upside down, and leave it under water for a few seconds. Then pick the cup up again, and the paper will still remain dry. This is atmospheric pressure. Take a white rose, cut the stem into 4 pieces, place each piece in different colored dyes, and let it sit for a few hours. And you'll get a beautiful, colorful rose. In 4 cups, fill 3 with different amounts of water. How do you evenly distribute the water into 4 cups? Just place a bent straw that has water in it in between 2 cups, and you'll see the water automatically flow into the 4 cups. This is the siphon effect of water. What happens when potassium permanganate is mixed with laxative? Place a little potassium permanganate on wood chips and drop some leftover laxative on it, then wait for 10 seconds and they will miraculously start burning. Place vitamin B2 on white paper, hammer it into powder, and sprinkle the powder into a glass of water under a lamp. After turning off the light, you'll see a beautiful glowing effect with the glow slowly descending. Place a ping pong ball under a goblet, rotate it clockwise, and you can transfer the ping pong ball to another empty cup. This is the centrifugal force. Place an egg in clear water and it will sink to the bottom. Just add enough salt to the water, stir well to dissolve, and the egg will float to the surface. This is the mystery of the Dead Sea's floating ability. Like shown in the video, cut a piece of chocolate diagonally, then move the pieces up and down, and surprisingly, another piece of chocolate appears. Now you have infinite chocolate that you can never finish. Throw one end of a bead chain, and the bead chain will surprisingly lift off into the air and spray out. This is the famous bead chain fountain experiment. Take a plastic tube, blow air into the tube with a hairdryer, and the ping pong balls will rush out and fly from the tube. This is airflow. Rub the plastic tube with a towel, throw a ball of plastic thread into the air, and the plastic thread will float in midair, and you can control its direction of flight. This is static electricity reaction. Add a little sulfuric acid to clear water, then place a leftover apple and stir a few times, and you'll clearly see the water in the cup slowly becoming clear. This is a reduction reaction. Take the aluminum foil from the chewing gum, cut it into this strange shape, align the ends with the positive and negative sides of a battery, and now you've created a homemade igniter. Isn't it amazing? Science is versatile. Come, try these experiments with your kids.